Here are PGTRB exam-based psychology MCQ questions in 5 difficult level multiple choice questions, MCQs, for each unit listed, along with their answers in both Tamil and English language. Unit I. Education Methodology. Which of the following is not a characteristic of pre-primary education? A. Play-based learning. B. Structured curriculum. C. Child-centered approach. D. Focus on social skills. Answer. B. Structured curriculum. Tamil. Pinvaram etu manpalli kalviyin sirippam alla. A. Vilayettu patipatailana karral. B. Kattumaikappatta patittitum. C. Kulantai maya anukumurai. D. Kamuka tirinkal meetu kavanam. Patil. B. Kattumaikappatta patittitum. What is a significant issue faced by rural and tribal populations in education? A. Overcrowded classrooms. B. Illiteracy. C. Lack of qualified teachers. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Tamil. Kiramappura maram palankutiyena makkalukku kalviyil kantikkum mukkya piraksane enna. A. Perukkamana vakupparaikal. B. Elatrital kuraivu. C. Takutiyana asiriyarkalan kuraivu. D. Mele ula anitum. Patil. D. Mele ula anitum. Which program aims to provide functional literacy to adults? A. Non-formal education. B. Open university. C. Skill development program. D. Adult education. Answer. D. Adult education. Tamil. Perio Seyalmurai Eliteratalai Valankuvatai Nokia Titum Etu. A. Vetavamai Para Kalvi. B. Tiranta Palkalaikalakam. C. Tyran Valachi Titum. D. Perio Kalvi. Patil. D. Perio Kalvi. What does brain drain refer to in the context of education? A. Loss of mental health. B. Migration of skilled individuals. C. Decrease in educational institutions. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Migration of skilled individuals. Tamil. Kalviyin Kulalil. Mulai Ertal, Etanai Kurikiratu. A. Mananalam Ilappu. B. Teramiana Naparkalan Kutieral. C. Kalvi Niruvanankalil Kuraivu. D. Mele Ullavaral Onram Allah. Patil. B. Teramiana Naparkalan Kutieral. What is the primary goal of vocational skill-oriented education? A. Academic excellence. B. Employment readiness. C. Cultural preservation. D. Research development. Answer. B. Employment readiness. Tamil. Tolil Natpa Tyran Maya Kalviyin Mutan Mai Kurikol Enna. A. Kalvi Tira Michael. B. Velaiku Tyraka Iruppatu. C. Panpattu Patukappu. D. Arechi Valachiyutan. Patil. B. Velaiku Tyraka Iruppatu. Multiple choice questions, MCQs, on Unit 2, Education Methodology. Question 1. What is the primary goal of national integration in education? A. Economic development. B. Cultural diversity, unity and harmony among different communities, technological advancement. Answer. C. Unity and harmony among different communities. Tamil. C. Veveru Kamutayankaluk Ketail Oramai Maram Kamarakam. Question 2. Which of the following is a key component of environmental education? A. Mathematics skills, protecting natural resources, sports education, art and music. Answer B. Protecting natural resources Tamil. B. Iyakai Valankalai Patuka Kutal. Question 3. Safety and first aid are essential topics in which area of education? A. Physical education. B. Environmental educations, value education, nutrition education. Answer A. Physical education Tamil. A. Otakalvi. Question 4. What does the term sanitation primarily refer to in educational contexts? A. Healthcare services, cleanliness and hygiene practices, nutritional education, waste management. Answer B. Cleanliness and hygiene practices Tamil. B. Katam Maram Kukatara Natimuraikal. Question 5. In the context of education for handicapped individuals, what is the main objective? A. To provide vocational training only, to ensure equal opportunities for all individuals. C. To segregate them from mainstream education, to focus solely on physical education. Answer B. To ensure equal opportunities for all individuals Tamil. B. Anittu Naparkalukkum Kama Vaipukalai Uruti Seyavam. Here are 5 difficult level MCQs based on the topics: Unit 3 History and Culture of Tamil Nadu, Political, Spiritual, Religion, Literature, Language, Education, Natural Resources, Trade, Occupations, Historical Places, Tourist Centers, Arts, Games, and Society. Answers are provided in both English and Tamil. ******1. Who among the following Chola kings is credited with sending the first naval expedition to Southeast Asia? Kilkantavarkalil intact kala arakaral tenkilekku asayavukku mutaketta katarpatayani anuppappatataka karutappatukkirar. A. Rajendra Chola the First. B. Rajaraja Chola the First. C. Kulothinga Chola the First. D. Aditya Chola. Answer A. Rajendra Chola the First. Patil. A. Irajentira Kalan I. ******2. The Bhakti movement in Tamil Nadu was primarily propagated by which group of saints? Tamila Kettil Pektip Piravu Mutan Mayaka Parapiyavarkalaka Vilankupavarkal Yar. A. Alvars and Nayanmars. B. Siddhars and Sants. C. Jains and Buddhists. D. Saivites and Vaishnavites. Answer A. Alvars and Nayanmars. Patil. A. Alvarkal Maram Nayanmakal ******3. Which ancient Tamil grammar work provides details about trade and occupations during the Sangam period? Kankakala Vattakam Maram Tolilkal Kurita Vivarankalai Valankum Palamayana Tamil Ilakkana Nal Etu. A. Tolkappiyam. B. Silappatikaram. C. Manimakalai. D. Pattinappalai. Answer A. Tolkappiyam. Patil. A. Tolkappiyam. ******4. The UNESCO World Heritage Site of Mahabalipuram is known for which type of monuments? UNESCO Ulaka Paramparaya Talamana Makapalipuram Etarkaka Pukal Peratu. A. Rock-cut temples and monolithic rathas. B. Aslamak domes and minarets. C. Jan caves and sculptures. D. Buddhist stupas and viharas. Answer. A. Rock-cut temples and monolithic rathas. *** Patil. A. Pare Vetia Kovilkal Maram Orkal Leelana Ratankal. *** 5. Which game, originating in Tamil Nadu, is considered an ancient precursor to modern chess? Tamilakattil Tonriya inter Vilayattu. Navina Kacharankatirku Palamayana Munnotiyaka Karutappattukiratu. Atu etu. A. Pallangushi. B. Adu Puliyatam. C. Paramapadham. D. Chaturanga. Answer. D. Chaturanga. *** Patil. D. Kacharankam. On ITB4 here are 5 difficult level multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on the given PGTRB education methodology topic, provided in both English and Tamil, along with answers and explanations. 1. Piaget's theory emphasizes which of the following aspects of a child's learning? A. Passive absorption of knowledge. B. Social learning through imitation. C. Active construction of knowledge through interaction with environment. D. Conditioning through reinforcement. Answer. C. Explanation. Piaget believed children actively construct knowledge by interacting with their environment. Tamilil. 1. Piaget Kolkai Oru Kulantayan Karralin enter Amkatai Mukkiyamakkakkarutukiratu. A. Arrivip Passavaka Utkolutal. B. Pintota Talan Mulam Kamuka Karral. C. Karakulalutan Totarpu Kontu Arrivik Kuyamaka Kattamatal. D. Palivali Palaka Uruvakkam Patil. C. Vilakkam. Piaget Kulantekal Karakulalutan Totarpu Kontu Arivai Kattamaikinranar Ina Nampinar. 2. Which of the following is not a factor influencing perception? A. Motivation. B. Interest. C. Temperature. D. Past experience. Answer. C. Explanation. Temperature may affect physical comfort but is not a direct factor in psychological perception. Tamilil. 2. Pinvaram avaral onru anarvai patikkum karani alla. A. Tuntutal, motivation. B. Arvam, interest. C. Vepanilai, temperature. D. Munteya anupavam, past experience. Patil. C. Vilakkam. Vepanilai utal nalanukku uruti alikkalam, enal atu neratiyaka ulaviyal anave tirmanikkatu. 3. Which of the following tasks is most closely associated with the formal operational stage in Piaget's theory? A. Object permanence. B. Symbolic play. C. Hypothetical deductive reasoning. D. Egocentric speech. Answer. C. Explanation. Formal operational stage, age 11 plus, involves abstract and hypothetical reasoning. Tamilil. 3. Piaget Kolkai and Niliana Seyarpattu Nilayai. Formal operational stage, Atikamaka Kurikam Paniyanatu Etu. A. Paul Nilittin Mai, object permanence. B. Kurikolana Vilayattu, symbolic play. C. Karutukol Kanter Mutive Tukkum Enam, hypothetical deductive reasoning. D. Kuyatan Mai Pekutal, egocentric speech. Patil. C. Vilakkam. 11 Vayatukku Mel Kulantekal Innilal Kotpatukal, Kotanaikal Akiyavaral Itupatalam. 4. Which of the following is a developmental task in adolescence? A. Learning to trust others. B. Developing gender identity. C. Establishing a career plan. D. Developing object permanence. Answer. C. Explanation. Establishing a career plan is a major developmental task during adolescence. Tamilil. 4. பின்வருவனவரால் யாட்டு யவனாக் பருவத்தின் வாலாக் சப்பனியாக்கக் கருட்டப்பட்டுகிறது. A. பெராரிடம் நம்பிக்கையை வளர்த்தல். B. பலாய்ன அட்டாயாலட்டாய் உருவக்கல். C. தொழில் திட்டத்தாய் நிலைநாட்டுதல். D. போல் நிலைத்தன்மையை வளர்த்தல் பாட்டில். C. விளக்கம். யவனாக் பருவத்தில் தொழில்துறை குறித்த திட்டமிட்டல் முக்கியமான வளர்ச்சி பணியாகும். 5. What is the educational implication of limited attention span in learners? A. Use only lectures as a teaching method. B. Provide long continuous periods of instruction. C. Use short, varied activities in regular breaks. D. Focus on rote memorization only. Answer. C. Explanation. Learners have limited attention spans, therefore, variety in breaks help sustain focus. Tamilil. 5. கற்றவர்களில் குறைந்த கவனக் கால அளவுக்கான கல்வி தொடர்பான விளைவுக்கு எட்டுக்காரியானது. A. பயிற்சியில் மாற்றம் முறையை பயன்படுத்துதல். B. நின்ற இடைவெளி பட்ட நேரங்களை வழங்குதல். C. குறுகிய மறுபட்ட செயல்கள் மாறும் இடைவெளிகளை வழங்குதல். D. பெயர்ச்சி மனப்பட்டம் மாற்றம் கவனித்தல் பாட்டில். C. விளக்கம். மாணவர்கள் நின்ற நேரம் கவனம் செலுத்த இயலாது, அநேக மறுபட்டு மாறும் இடைவெளிகள் உதவுகின்றன. Unit 5. Here are 5 difficult level multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on the given topics related to adolescence and learning, PGTRB education methodology syllabus. Each question includes the answer in both English and Tamil. 1. Which of the following best explains the concept of transfer of learning? A. Learning is influenced only by intelligence. B. Previous learning affects new learning. C. Learning occurs only through trial and error. D. Learning is independent of experience. Answer. B. Previous learning affects new learning. Tamilil. பின்வருவனவரால் கற்றலின் பாரம்பரியத்தை சிறந்த முறையில் விளக்குகிறார். A. கற்றல் போட்டியால் மட்டுமே படிக்கப்படுகிறது. B. முந்தைய கற்றல் போட்டிய கற்றலின் மேல் தாக்கம் செலுத்துகிறது. C. கற்றல் முயற்சி மாறும் தவறுகள் மூலம் நிகழ்கிறது. D. அனுபவத்தை கரட்டாட்டு கற்றல் பாட்டில். B. முந்தைய கற்றல் போட்டிய கற்றலின் மேல் தாக்கம் செலுத்துகிறது. 2. Which type of learning involves sudden understanding or aha experience? A. Classical conditioning. B. Operant conditioning. C. Learning by insight. D. Trial and error learning. Answer. C. Learning by insight. Tamilil. என்ற வகையான கற்றல் டீச்சர் புரிதல் அல்லது ஆஹா அனுபவம் மூலம் நிகழ்கிறது. A. கிளக்கிக்கல் கண்டிஷனிங். B. அப்பரண்ட் கண்டிஷனிங். C. உள்ளுணர்வு மூலம் கற்றல். D. முயற்சி மாறும் தவறுகள் மூலம் கற்றல் பாட்டில். C. உள்ளுணர்வு மூலம் கற்றல். 3. Adolescents are more influenced by which of the following informing attitudes and behaviors? A. Parents. B. Teachers. C. Peer group. D. Media. Answer. C. Peer group. Tamilil. முனிப்பம் நாட்டத்தை முறையம் உருவக்க காயரலானவர்கள் யாரால் அதிகம் படிக்கப்படுகிறார்கள்? A. பெற. B. ஆசிரியர்கள். C. இணைப்பு குழு. Peer group. D. யூட்டகம் பாட்டில். C. இணைப்பு குழு. Peer group. 4. Which of the following learning styles is associated with visual learners? A. Listening to lectures. B. Performing hands-on activities. C. Reading and watching diagrams. D. Participating in group discussions. Answer. C. Reading and watching diagrams. Tamilil. பின்வரும் கற்றல் முறைகளில் பாவை முறையை visual learners சென்றவர்களுக்கு பொருந்தும். A. Kopolivukalai ketpatu B. Ketolil seyalpatukalik sivatu C. Visital maram varaikolip pervaituvatu D. Kulu vivatan kalil pankapatu patil C. Visital maram varaikolip pervaituvatu. 5. Which of the following is not a type of learning disability? A. Dyslexia B. Dysgraphia C. Hypertension D. Dyscalculia. Answer C. Hypertension. Tamilil Pinvaruvanavarul etu karral kuraipatukkalukul seratatu. A. Dyslexia B. Dysgraphia C. Oyar iratta alatum, hypertension D. Dyscalculia patil C. Oyar iratta alatum, hypertension. Unit 6. Here are 5 difficult level MCQs with answers, in English and Tamil, based on the topic you provided, which covers key areas of psychology relevant to PGTRB education methodology. 1. Maslow's hierarchy in motivation. Q1. According to Maslow, which of the following needs must be satisfied first before higher level needs can be addressed? A. Self-actualization B. Esteem C. Safety D. Physiological. Answer D. Physiological. Makulavan vac kurukkeluttil, melnilai vakal perti sayum mun entity vayai mutalil perti saya ventum. A. Kuyamipamai B. Mariatai C. Patukapodi, utility vakal. Patil D. Utility vakal. 2. Intelligence and theories. Q2. Who proposed the two-factor theory of intelligence that includes G and S factors? A. J. P. Guilford B. Charles Spearman C. Howard Gardner D. Alfred Binet. Answer B. Charles Spearman. G. Maram S. Anra irukurukalai konta arrive tirunukana irukurak kotpatai yar manwater. A. J. Pi. Kilpotu B. Carlos Spearman C. Howard Gardner D. Alfred Pine. Patil B. Carlos Spearman. 3. Creativity and intelligence. Q3. Which of the following best describes the relationship between creativity and intelligence? A. Both are entirely unrelated. B. Creativity is a subset of intelligence. C. Intelligence is a subset of creativity. D. They are mutually exclusive. Answer B. Creativity is a subset of intelligence. Pinvaruvanavarul etu sintinet tyran maram arrivat tirunukitayana uravai sirinta murail vivarikiratu. A. Irantam muralam totarparravai B. Sintinet tyran enpatu arrivat tirunukul atinkum C. Arrivat tyran enpatu sintinet tirunukul atinkum D. Irantam horinkanea mutiatavai. Patil B. Sintinet tyran enpatu arrivat tirunukul atinkum. 4. Personality assessment. Q4. Which of the following tools is used for projective assessment of personality? A. Stanford Binet test. B. Thematic apperception test, TAT. C. Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale D. MMPI. Answer B. Thematic apperception test, TAT. Pinvaruvanavarul etu naparmanappan mayai titamital murail matipitu sayapayanpatam. A. Stanhotu pine kotanai. B. Thematic apperception test, TAT. C. Wechsler Vitalorukkana arrivat kotanai. D. M. Pi. I. Patil B. Thematic apperception test, TAT. 5. Conflict and mental health. Q5. Which of the following is considered a mature defense mechanism? A. Denial. B. Regression. C. Sublimation. D. Projection. Answer. C. Sublimation. ಪಿನ್ವರುವನವರಲ್ ಎಟು ಓರು ಮುಟ್ಯಚಿ ಪೆರ ಪಟುಕಪ್ಪು ಉಟ್ಟ್ಯಾಕಾಕರುಟಪ್ಪಟುಕಿರಟು. A. ಮರುಪ್ಪು. B. ಪಿನ್ವಾಲ್ವು ನಿಲೈಕು ಟಿರುಂಪ್ಯೂಟಲ್. C. ಕಪ್ಲಿಮೇಸನ್. D. ಮ್ಯಾರವರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೀಟು ಎರಿವೈಪ್ಪು. ಪಾಟಿಲ್. C. Kaplimason. Unit 7. Here are 5 difficult level MCQs based on the topic you provided, with answers in both Tamil and English. *********1. Which educational thinker emphasized freedom in the learning situation and founded schools based on that philosophy? Karral Kulalil, Kutantiram, Enpataye Kalviyanatipatayaka Kontavariyar. A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. J. Krishnamurti. C. Aurobindo. D. John Dewey. Answer. Patil. B. J. Krishnamurti. Explanation. Vilakam. J. Krishnamurti believed that true education arises only in an atmosphere of freedom. ******2. Who among the following introduced basic education, focusing on productive manual work integrated with learning? Tolil Munaivu Maram Karralutan Kutia, Atipatai Kalvi, Ya Erimukappatuttiyavariyar. A. Rousseau. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Bertrand Russell. Answer. Patil. C. Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation. Vilakam. Gandhiji's basic education or Nai Talim emphasized learning through productive work. *****3. According to Montessori, what plays a crucial role in a child's learning process? Montessoriயின் கருத்துப்படி குழந்தையின் கற்றல் செயல்பாட்டில் முக்கிய பங்கு வகிப்பது என்ன? A. Religious beliefs. B. Sense experiences. C. Rote memorization. D. Authority of teacher. Answer. Patil. B. Sense experiences. Anarvo Anupavankal. Explanation. Vilakam. Montessori stressed learning through sensory exploration and hands-on activities. *****4. Which innovation is associated with Tagore's idea of open-air schools blending nature and learning? Iya Kayotu Anenta Karralukkana Tirantavelikkal V. Mure Yarutan Totarputayatu. A. Froebel's Kindergarten. B. Tagore's Shantiniketan. C. Aurobindo's Ashram School. D. Dewey's Pragmatism. Answer. Patil. B. Tagore's Shantiniketan, Thakurine Cantoniketan ****. Explanation. Vilakam. Tagore believed education must be in harmony with nature and creativity. *****5. What is the central idea in Froebel's kindergarten system? Hapropal Uruvakya Kindergarten Murayan Mayak Kotpatu Enna. A. Discipline through strict rules. B. Memorization of facts. C. Play-based early childhood education. D. Industrial training for children. Answer. Patil. C. Play-based early childhood education. Vilayatin Mulam Totakkalvi. Explanation. Vilakam. Froebel considered play as the highest expression of human development in childhood. Unit 8. Here are 5 difficult level multiple choice questions, MCQs, based on the given topic from PGTRB, Education Methodology. Each question includes both English and Tamil versions, along with correct answers. 1. What was a key aim of the District Primary Education Program (DPEP)? DPEP Titatin Mukhya Nokam N. A. Promote higher education. B. Improve teacher salaries. C. Achieve universal elementary education through decentralized planning. D. Establish private schools. Answer: Patil. C. Achieve universal elementary education through decentralized planning. Potu Kalviyai Virivakka Titimitalin Mulam Atia Muyasippat DPEP Titatin Nokam. 2. Which institution primarily focuses on the training of teachers at the district level? Mavatta Alaval Asiriyarkalai Peyaki Alikam Mutanmai Niruvanamaka Etu Seyalpatukiratu. A. NCERTB. Diet C. SCERTD. IGNU. Answer: Patil. B. Diet Mavatta Kalvi Maram Peyaki Niruvanankal. Diets Mavatta Alaval Asiriyar Peyakikku Mukkiyamaka Ullana. 3. Which concept encourages learning through exploration, play, and activity rather than rote memorization? Tiranarivu, Vilayatu Maram Seyalpatukalin Mulam Karralai Ukkuvikkum Yukanai Etu. A. MLLB. Joyful learning. C. Autonomy. D. Self-paced learning. Answer: Patil. B. Joyful learning. Vilayatu Arechi Maram Seyalmuraikalan Mulam Karralai Ukkuvipat, Makirchiana Karral, Akam. 4. Who advocated for the concept of deschooling society, promoting learning outside traditional schools? Parampariya Pallikalukku Veliye Karralai Attarikam, Deschooling Society, Yayar Parincharethanar. A. John Dewey. B. Paulo Freire. C. Ivan Ilyich D. Rousseau. Answer: Patil. C. Ivan Ilyich Tan. Deschooling Society, Yai Uruvakki, Vakupparai Kappurampana Karralai Valiyuruttinar. 5. What is the primary purpose of educational technology in the classroom? Vakupparayil Kalvit Tolilnatpattin Mutanmai Nokam N. A. Entertainment. B. Discipline enforcement. C. Enhancing instruction through media and devices. D. Reducing teacher workload. Answer: Patil. C. Enhancing instruction through media and devices. Kalvit Tolilnatpam Enpatu Utikankal Maram Karuvikalai Payanpatutti Karpitalai Mempatatam Nokatutan Payanpatuttappatu Kiratu.